Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will explore line and column chart, which is a very good way of combining two data perspective into a single chart. Now let's type in. First I'll go here, and here you will see that we have two kinds of line and column charts. One is the stacked column chart and one is clustered column chart. I'll go and select the stacked column chart. Let's bring it here. In the x-axis, I will add location. In the y-axis column, I will add projects. Let me rename it as projects. In the line, I want to see the progress. So I will drag progress here and I will name it as progress. I also want to see the legends. So in legends, let's bring the status. Now here you can see the location by their projects, and you can also see the status. Now let's go and modify this. So in the y-axis, we will keep the values. We will not keep the title. In the x-axis, I will remove both. In the y-axis, I'll keep the legends. In the columns, you can change the columns if you want to. We will keep it as it is. If you want a zoom slider, we don't need that. We need markers, so we will add markers. We also need data labels. So you can see for both of them, you can see the state projects on hold for San Francisco are 2. You can also see the data labels for the progress. So you can see that the average progress is 2.65 for location Chicago. Let's make sure we have this average here, not the sum. We have data labels. If you want a series label, you can add that. If you want a totals label, you can add it. Let's add this here also. The data labels, let's change the one here. So in the values, we will change the background or the color. Let's change the background to gray, and so they are more visible. Now you can see the average progress of the projects for each location. We have added two data sets and we are checking them accordingly. You can do a similar thing for the clustered column chart. If I click here, you will see that it changes. I'll go back. Now this is how simply you can create. We have done this for projects, but mostly you will be able to do it for sales versus profit trends or expense versus budget for any of your department or your projects. I hope this video helped, and keep watching for more. Do let me know which video you want me to do next. Thank you.